Welcome to our TNC channel. Today's journey takes us a little outside of Paris, and we've chosen to travel by rail to one of the most magical places around, Disneyland Paris. It's a fun and easy day trip, and we're ready for a day full of adventure, fun, and a bit of Disney magic. Before we head to Disneyland, we're here at Gare du Nord, one of the busiest railway stations in all of Europe. It's a major hub, connecting Paris to destinations across France and beyond. The station itself is beautiful. With its grand facade and constant movement, it really feels like the gateway to countless adventures. We've just started our journey to Disneyland, and the best part? We're riding on a double-decker train. It's spacious, comfortable, and gives you a great view as we leave the city behind. It's the perfect way to travel, smooth, scenic, and a little more magical as we head toward the world of Disney. As we ride through the city, the view from the train is just beautiful: classic Paris rooftops, quiet streets, and glimpses of daily life passing by. It's a peaceful way to watch the city fade into the distance as we head toward something exciting. We're now passing by a quiet lake and wide stretches of greenland. The view is so peaceful, it feels like a perfect countryside escape. It's moments like this that make the train ride feel like part of the adventure. As the train moves along, you get a glimpse of daily life, passing through quiet residential areas, people going about their routines, and then suddenly, it opens up to stretches of lush green and tree-lined landscapes. It's a beautiful contrast, from city life to peaceful nature, all from your seat. The train journey is very comfortable, smooth, quiet, and spacious enough to just sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. It's a great way to travel, especially when you're heading to a fun destination like Disneyland. It's always interesting to watch the changing scenery, crossing under old bridges, over rivers, and passing by other train stations along the way. Every few minutes, there's something new to see. It really keeps the journey enjoyable. If you enjoy nature, you'll absolutely love this journey, with open fields, green landscapes, and peaceful views all along the way. It's a refreshing escape from the city, even before you reach your destination. We've arrived at our destination. The train has brought us right to the station near Disneyland Paris. Time to step out and start the fun part of the day. You can either buy a ticket at the reception to explore inside the Disneyland park, or simply enjoy the surroundings outside, which is free and still full of charm. We decided not to go inside this time since the park is more geared toward kids. Instead, we chose to enjoy the peaceful nature and explore the area around it. Outside the park, it's surprisingly green, with open spaces, well-kept gardens, and walking paths that make it feel peaceful and refreshing. Even without entering the park, the area has a calm, natural vibe that's perfect for a stroll. Since we were short on time and still had other places to explore in Paris, we decided to head back to the city. It was a nice little stop, and now we're ready for the next part of our journey. We're taking the same route back to the city, but somehow it feels different. Maybe it's the softer light, the calmer pace, or just the feeling of a day well spent. It's a quiet moment to relax, reflect, and enjoy the ride once more. We hope you'll join us for the next part of this journey, so stay with us and keep watching our videos as we continue exploring the beauty of Paris.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel for more interesting content.